Frederick VI, January 28, 1768, December 3, 1839. Frederick VI was Prince Regent of Denmark and Norway from 1784 to 1789, 1808. On his mother's side, he was a nephew of the British King George III. Dorothy Stafford, October 1st, 1526, September 22nd, 1604. Dorothy Stafford, Lady Stafford, was an English noblewoman and an influential person in the court of Queen Elizabeth I of England. Christopher III of Bavaria, February 26, 1416, January 1448. Christopher III of Bavaria was King of Denmark from 1440, Sweden from 1441, and Norway from 1448-1442 from the Wittelsbach dynasty. Elizabeth Woodville, 1437, June 8, 1492. Elizabeth Woodville was Queen of England, wife of King Edward IV. Elizabeth Woodville is the ancestor of all English monarchs. Alexandru Ion Cuza, March 20th, 1820, May 15th, 1873. Alexandru Ion Cuza was the first ruler of United Romania. He was forced to abdicate in 1866 because of a military conspiracy. Elizabeth of Luxembourg, April 19, 1358, September 4th, 1373. Elizabeth of Luxembourg was the daughter of Holy Roman Emperor Charles IV and his third wife, Anna of Swidnitz. Christian 1st February 1426, May 21st, 1481. Christian, I was King of Norway from November 20th, 1481, 1449. Founder of the Danish branch of the Oldenburg dynasty. Margaret Pole, August 14th, 1473, May 27th, 1541. Marguerite Pole was an English aristocrat, Countess of Salisbury. She was a cousin of Elizabeth of York. Maingard 3rd, February 9th, 1344. January 13th, 1363. Maingard III was Count of Tyrol and Duke of Upper Bavaria in 1361 of the Wittelsbach dynasty. Sophia Gedwig of Brunswick-Wolfenbüttel, February 20th, 1592, January 23rd, 1642. Sophia Gedwig of Brunswick-Wolfenbüttel was a princess of the House of Welf. She ruled the county of Nassau-Dietz from 1632 to 1642. Wenceslaus IV, February 26th, 1361, August 16th, 1419. Wenceslaus IV, King of Germany from 1376 under the name Wenzel. In 1400, he was deposed from the German throne, but remained King of Bohemia. Carr Frances, Countess of Somerset, May 31st, 1590, August 23rd, 1632. Frances Carr, Countess of Somerset, was an English noblewoman during the reign of King James I.